cherries are there?
Well,
Did you say it?
1,000.
Oh my god, that's so much. Oh my god, that's so much, right?
Yeah.
A lot. I couldn't even count to that number. Oh my god. Reasons why you should eat more cherries. Number one, it helps muscle repair. For example, when you're running, like when you're doing lots of exercise, you feel so tired of doing all that work, you eat some cherries to help your muscles from aching. Like this. Second reason, you can fight your pain away. I call it something. I don't know what it's called. Second reason is to fight pain away, called anti-inflammation. You can fight your pain away. Eat cherries. You know those ads when they go, eat some more cherries? You fight the pain. Hoo-yah! Number 3, it prevents diseases like heart diseases, stroke, or diabetes. Number 4, cherries. They can help patients from gout. So basically number 4 is to ease gout. So cherries, they can actually help patients from gout. Number 5, cherries keep you young. Actually, cherries do 19 times better than blueberries. Oh my god! This is my surprise face. That's her smiley face. That's my surprise face. Well, kiddies, that's the end of the video. Make sure to subscribe, turn on notifications, click the like button, pew, 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 pew. And goodbye. Another video coming next week.